What if I told you that you could study at one of India's most prestigious management institutes with 100% placements and a highest package of 70 lakhs per annum? Let's dive into IIM Indore and discover what it's the right choice for you. Hey there, future business leaders. Welcome back to Collegedunia. My name is Jatin. If you have been dreaming of an MBA from one of the top institutes in India, look no further. Today we are going to talk about all about IIM Indore, which is ranked among the top management institutes in India with its rich legacy, outstanding placements, and global recognition. IIM Indore offers everything you need to kickstart your career and level. Career at the highest level you could kickstart. So, if you are planning to pursue an MBA, sit tight and stay with us as we are exploring everything that makes IIM Indore an excellent choice for your future. So here we see the overview of IIM Indore. Established in 1996, IIM Indore is renowned for its academic excellence and is globally recognized by QS World University Rankings, ranked 201 to 250. The college is ranked 5th in IRF for MBA in India and holds 8th position in NRF ranking 2025. Over the past 25 years, IIM Indore has been a hub for transformative management education, helping students becoming leaders in industries ranging from consulting to technology. Why choose IIM Indore? IIM Indore ranking speaks volume, but let's break down why this institute stands out prestigious rankings. Ranked 5th in India by IRF, ranked in the top 250 globally by QS World University Rankings, outstanding placements, 100% placement record, the highest package offered is 70 lakhs per annum with a median package of 27 lakhs per annum. Industry Connect, strong ties with top corporates such as Aditya Birla, Adobe, Barclays, Airtel and Capgemini. This ensures excellent career opportunities for its graduates. So now we see the program portfolio. Program portfolio, let's take a look at the programs offered by IIM Indore, IPM, Integrated Program in Management, a 5-year course combining undergraduate and postgraduate education. Ideal for students aiming for early entry into the management. The first year fees is 5.51 lakhs. PGPM Postgraduate Program in Management. This is the flagship MBA program with 10.5 lakhs in first year fees. It's designed for graduates who wish to develop leadership and management skills. EPGP Executive Postgraduate Program, a 1-year program for experienced professional with 5 plus experience of work experience. The first year fee is 22.12 lakhs, designed for working executives seeking leadership. Each program is meticulously crafted for develop future business leaders through academic rigor, industry exposure and practical application. Here we see the rankings and recognition. IIM Indore consistently performs well in national and international rankings. IRF 2025 ranked 5th in India for MBA and IRF 2025 ranked 8th nationally. QS Global MBA ranking placed in 201 to 250 bracket, reinforcing its global recognition. These rankings not only signify academic excellence but also demonstrate the institute globally reputation for shaping the next generation of business leaders. Now here we see the admissions and eligibility of the IIM Indore. Let's talk about how to get into this prestigious institution. Here's the breakdown of the admission process. Entrance exam scores. Your performance in GMAT, GRE or CAT is the first step. The cutoff percentile for CAT is 90 percentile for the general category. Personal interview. This account for 45% of the selection weightage, where your communication skills, leadership potential and fit with the institute's values are evaluated. Academic record, 10% weightage is given to your academic background in 10th, 12th and graduation. Diversity factor, the remaining 5% is awarded to candidates who bring diversity in terms of backgrounds and experience. Here we see the CAT cutoffs for 2024. The CAT 2024 cutoff for IIM Indore is allows general category 90 percentile, overall 80 percentile sectional, EWS 90 percentile, overall 80 percentile sectional, OBC 80 percentile, overall 70 percentile sectional. These cutoffs are quite consistent and reflect the high standards of IIM Indore maintains for admissions. Now see the diverse student community. IIM Indore fosters diversity within its classroom. The batch of 2023 to 2025 consists of 591 students. The gender ratio is 70% male and 30% female, promoting a balanced classroom environment. 41% of students come with 1 to 2 years of experience, contributing fresh insights into industry practices. 31% of students have a background in IT and analytics, bringing technical expertise to business discussions. 22% are from engineering backgrounds known for their analytic and problem solving capabilities. Now here we see the placement success. Now let's talk about the placement. The placement performance of IIM Indore, it's truly impressive. 100% placement rate. Every eligible student secures placement, but with the highest package of 70 lakhs per annum, a testament to the high demand for IIM Indore graduates. Average package 29.75 lakhs per annum. Median package 27 lakhs per annum with over 225 recruiters, including 15 new partners. The placements at IIM Indore covers a range of industries and functions, ensuring robust career path for all students. Here domain-wise career opportunity. IIM Indore offers diverse career opportunity across various domains. Consulting 35.4%, highest package 36 lakhs per annum. Roles including corporate finance, deal strategy and digital transformation. General management and operations 26.5%, highest package 54 lakhs per annum. Leadership roles in strategy and operations, finance 14.5%, highest package 60 lakhs per annum. Corporate banking, equity research, financial advisory roles. IT and analytics 10.4%, highest package 70 lakhs per annum. Data science and digital transformation roles. Sales and marketing 13.2%, highest package 65 lakhs per annum. Account management and category leadership roles. Now we see the summer internship program. IIM Indore's summer internship program is another key highlight. 215 plus participating companies, including 25 new recruiters, demonstrating increased corporate confidence in IIM Indore talent. Average stipend they are offering is 2.53 lakhs, with 5 lakhs being the highest stipend. The summer internship program offers students hands-on experience and often leads to full-time job offers. Now here we see the competitive advantage of IIM Indore. When comparing IIM Indore to other IIMs, here's how it stands. Fees 21.02 lakhs, among the most competitive. Highest package 70 lakhs per annum, comparable to the best in the industry. IRF ranking 5th, higher than many other IIMs. IIM Indore offers the perfect balance between affordability and world-class placements. Now talk about campus infrastructure. The campus at IIM Indore is nothing short of world-class with 193 acres. The facilities support both academic and personal development. Modern classrooms with the latest technology, 2 state-of-art auditorium, a comprehensive sports and recreation complex, a residential community that ensures a comfortable living environment. The campus supports a holistic learning experience that nurtures academic, personal, and professional growth. In summary, IIM Indore is a powerhouse for management education, offering top-tier rankings and India a globally impressive placements. Records with salaries up to 70 lakhs per annum, world-class infrastructure, and a strong alumni network. Whether you are a fresher looking for an integrated program or a professional seeking an executive MBA, IIM Indore provides the perfect platform for your growth. Start preparing for IIM Indore today and take the first step towards a transformative career in management. Thanks for watching the video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insights on top management institutes. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Best of luck with your MBA journey and also follow the link in the description.